Welcome to the KHULA Farmer app, in partnership with AECI Plant Health. Through our partnership with AECI Plant Health we can now distribute in all South African provinces, through over 150 depots. This tutorial will guide you through our sign-up process on the KHULA app as well as highlight some of our important features in our input marketplace. Let's take you step by step through our registration process. Step 1. As a first-time user, click on Sign Up to create an account. Step 2. Fill in your personal details, accept the terms and conditions and then click on Sign Up. Step 3. Check your email for the confirmation code. Step 4. Enter confirmation code into the KHULA Farmer app. Step 5. Enter your farm name and the type of business you are running, then click Next. Step 6. Enter your farm address, then click Next. Welcome to our app. You will land on the KHULA Input Marketplace. Our Input Marketplace sells over 2,000 products from reputable global and local agriculture suppliers. These include fertilizer, seed and other implements you will need on your farm. Let's add our first item to the cart. If you are interested in testing your soil to make sure you are planting the right crops, try clicking on the Test Kit option. Once you are satisfied with your order, click Add to Cart, then OK. Over 2,000 products are easy to find by browsing through our various categories. Do you have a specific pest or bug that you are wanting to target? Then browse our list of possible pests and targets. We have thousands of data points that will assist you to make an informed decision. You can see exactly what each product is registered for, what problems the product targets, as well as open up the product label for detailed usage information. Are you looking for recommendations from expert crop advisors and agronomists? Follow these steps. Step 1. Scroll down until you see the suggested programs. Step 2. Input the number of hectares you would like to apply this program to. This will provide you with the exact number of products needed, as well as a quotation. Step 3. Click on See Program to view spraying schedule, and more detailed program information. Step 4. Browse through the spraying program. Step 5. After browsing through the spraying program, go back to the input products and click Add to Cart, then View Cart. Step 6. Browse through the cart, then click on Checkout if you are satisfied with the order. Step 7. Confirm the pickup address, then click Next. If your order is over 20,000 Rand, your order will be delivered to you. If the order is under 20,000 Rand, you can collect your full order from your nearest depot, which is displayed on the screen. Step 8. Select the payment option and accept the terms and conditions, then click on Pay. A message will pop up to notify you that an order has been placed. Step 9. You can track your order and chat to your pickup depot by navigating to the Orders screen. Orders will be delivered within 7 days of receiving payment. Thank you for watching our tutorial. We hope to hear from you soon, and wish you a prosperous planting season ahead.